Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. If you watch these videos, this might be a slightly different way of me doing an intro to this, but I'm in a bit of a rush. I want to get to shopping with my envelopes, and I just finished doing an unstuffing. I'm super behind schedule when it comes to my shopping for this week, especially for my normal weekly shopping, which includes grocery shopping. So I'm going to go grocery shopping. It's going to be a little bit different this time around. I'm not doing a meal plan, meal prep. I'm midweek right now. I got sick this week and I just don't have any time or energy to meal prep for this week. So I'm basically going to go to Costco, which I need my Costco envelope, which I think is right here. Sorry, it's a little shaky, but I'm just going to grab my Costco envelope, take this with me to go shopping, and take you along to show you. I'm just buying pre-made stuff, easy peasy kind of stuff, and just stock up on maybe a couple of things, and then I'll get into my regular meal planning, meal prep, grocery shopping for the week. But just this week is just a little bit almost done, and I don't feel like buying a bunch of groceries and cleaning it all and cutting it all and meal prepping it all and doing all that when it's already Wednesday and we're almost at Thursday, and it just doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I'm going to go to Costco. I have $7 in here. Yeah, $7 whole that I'm going to spend at Costco, but I could buy like a rotisserie chicken. Also, I still have all of my grocery money for the week in here that I will be taking with me. I have $80 in here that I can take with me to Costco. Basically, just going to buy everything I can at Costco. And actually, I think I might leave. You know what? I'm going to leave Costco. Should I leave it? Nah, I'll shop with it. I'm going to end up filling it with money this week anyways. So yeah, I'm going to take you along as I go grocery shopping. I haven't really done a lot of shopping this week. I might go, you know what? I might pull my, let's see, Joe Beauty, $10 in here. I was going to go buy some nail stuff, but you know what? No. I'll hold off on that one because I don't really have a lot left in there. And, oh, I need household. I need to buy some detergent laundry stuff because I haven't done laundry either because I've been sick. So I just have, everything's just, been pushed aside. But I do need to get a couple of laundry items that I need before I can do laundry, so I'm going to take this one with me. All right, so like I said, a little bit different intro this time around, but I hope you enjoy watching as I shop with my envelopes. Oh, and I also went to Disneyland. I have some Disneyland footage before I got sick. I have a little bit of that you'll see first, but yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of the shopping experience with me as I go shopping with my envelopes.
You're welcome. Hi.
How you doing? Yeah.
Where'd you get the chips from?
The other place.
And the legs inside at all of the times. Prego.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hey, Gamora, can you do me a favor? Just keep an eye out, make sure nothing weird happens. Get what we came for so we can get out of here and decorate Groot before he changes his mind.
Be careful.
Are you worried about me? Oh, that's really sweet of you. You should be worried about what you got me for Christmas. But that's Wait, seriously?
Nothing.
Fix this. Then we go. Bringing it back.
All right, look at my new pin that I got at Disney. I've been eyeing this one. I think it was released online, but I wanted to buy it in the parks because I like to buy the pins at the parks. So yeah, I purchased this one. This is the only thing merch-wise that I purchased that I used my Disneyland money for. I bought food, but other than that, this is the only thing I got. So I'm just going to add it to my little collection. I love it so much. It's super adorable. It's one where you can like remove these and change them around if you want to, but this is going to stay as it is. I have a couple versions of this style. I have this one with the Mickey and the Pluto, and then I have this one from Sleeping Beauty. So yeah, I'm just going to add this to my board. This is going to be my only Christmas pin, I think. Maybe, we'll see, for this year. But let me add it to my board. So look how adorable it looks. So cute, gingerbread Mickey and Minnie. All right, and then that is my board. I still have like a little bit of space left for the next few upcoming visits, but I will be needing to look for a new board. I don't know if I'm going to get the same exact one, which I got from Hobby Lobby, or like a different style, but I'm going to look for a new board soon. Probably take you along to do that too, but yeah, there's my new pin. So cute. All right, so here was my quick shopping haul. This is basically all my grocery budget for the week, which is kind of crazy, but it's Costco and it's bulk items, and it'll last me, some of this will last me a good amount of time, so, and I can freeze majority of it, so yeah. All right, so my meal plan for the week is, for the rest of the week, I was going to do this butter chicken with the rice for lunch because there's 3 bowls in here. Quick, easy. I don't have to prep any lunch. I was looking for basically, you know, easy, quick, no prep stuff. And this looks pretty easy for me to take to work and microwave and eat it for a couple days. So there's 3 bowls in here. So I'm excited about that because I do like some buttered chicken and then rice. Sounds delicious. And then, oh, and I got these. I wanted to stock up on some chicken breast, these chicken breast chunks. These are really, really good. I like to have those stocked in my freezer because they're good for like adding to salads or, you know, just having some little chicken tenders on the side of whatever sides I have. So yeah, that's just something I always like to have in my freezer. So I got some of that. So that's going to be not really my meal prep plan for this week, but just to have it, just in case I want to maybe add some protein to my salad, I can do that. But I also got some salad. Again, went quick and easy with this for this week, so I don't have to prep anything. It's all ready to go, chopped and all that. I got a little Caesar salad kit. It has the Caesar dressing, croutons, the parm, so good to go on that. And then I got this naan, which I could freeze this because I won't be able to eat all of this. My plan for this is to make like little pizzas out of them. I like to use this and make pizzas because I could do like 2 of these and maybe like a salad, and that's good for me. And then so I got some pizza sauce, some mozzarella, and I'm gonna do mushrooms. So it'll be like a mushroom pizza. So that's gonna be basically my dinner because that's super, super easy to whip up and just pop in the oven, and it's tasty and good. Oh, and then I saw these chicken breakfast links. I got these just to have on hand because again, I could freeze them because this is a lot. But I could do some breakfast meals with this. And I haven't had chicken ones. So I wanted to try these. But yeah, that's basically my full $80 budget for the week is in just these items right here. Again, crazy, but at least I'm good for the rest of the week. And then next week I'll do my more normal meal haul, grocery haul, and then prep and all that stuff and do some meal planning and all of that. Yeah. But honestly, even next week, it might be a little bit different too because there's Thanksgiving. So I don't know. Next week's going to be different too. So we'll see. But at least I have what I need for the rest of this week. I'm good to go. And that is it. I'm going to put this now in the fridge, in the freezer, and get on with the rest of the day. All right. So like I said, short shop with me video since I wasn't really in the mood to shop too much this week. But yeah, I did do a little bit. Oh, I don't think I showed this. I did buy my laundry stuff, so I did use household. I'm going to update my trackers and put them back. I only have like 2 envelopes, which I think I only need to update 1 in there. So household, because I did buy the stuff I needed for laundry. I have $5 left. I'm going to update this one. So that's 32. That's 11. Okay, so that one's done. And then next I have Costco, which actually I decided to just use my budget for groceries. I'm saving this for the following week to use. So actually I don't need to update this. This is $7. All right, so that one's good. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here and put these back where they belong. Costco. And household. All right, so that is it. Again, thanks for joining me for a little short shop with me video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.